No matter what skill you have, you can make $100,000 a month with it. I know this because I have done it with multiple different businesses. If you are a graphic designer, developer, copywriter, marketer, videographer, UGC creator, whatever it is, and you're struggling to scale your business, it's because you are operating in the old way. Now, there is a new way to sell your services that will make you way more money, and it will make your clients way happier. And the best part is you don't have to learn anything new. All you need to do is tweak your business model and change how you are framing your services. So in this video, I'm going to show you what this new model is, how 7 different agencies are using it at scale, and at the end, I'm going to share what business I would start if I was starting all over with no skills. This graphic designer offers unlimited design services for $5,000 a month. But the catch is you can only make 1 request at a time, and each request takes 48 hours to complete. His clients simply list every design request they have on a Trello board. And then when he starts working on one, he moves it from the request panel to the active panel. Once it is complete, he uploads the design file to that tile, and then his clients give feedback directly on the Trello board. This is called async communication, and it basically eliminates all meetings and makes client communication a breeze. Clients can even sign up and pay the monthly subscription directly on his website without a sales call if they choose. This saves everyone time and maximizes your profits. Right now, he has 24 clients paying the monthly subscription with 0 employees. You can do this with graphic design, video editing, website development, copywriting, or even software development like we did at our agency, WGMI Labs. The number of services you can productize are endless. The best part is these agencies can run on autopilot because you can just hire people to do all the work, and it won't cost you a penny out of your pocket because of the positive cash flow cycle. Basically, the productized model takes a traditional service and turns it into a digital product that your customers pay monthly for. You do this by systemizing a single service and turn it into a repeatable process that you charge a monthly subscription for. Now, if you want to learn how to set up that system for yourself, we created a free productized agency training. In this free training, my business partner Brandon will show you exactly how to productize your service and to sell it at scale. He will show you how a productized agency works and walk you through all the systems and processes. Whether you are looking to start a new business from scratch or just turn your existing agency into a productized agency, this training will show you the full picture. So if you're interested, click the link below this video and sign up for that free training. Now let's take a look at some different productized services. Keep in mind, you can productize almost any service. These are the ones that I just found the most interesting and relevant to me. Boldly is a productized staffing company. And why I like this one is because it doesn't really require any hard skills. You're just pairing people together. Let me explain. People who are successful in their field are constantly bombarded with hundreds of messages a day. Emails, speaking requests, meetings, proposals, the list goes on. Sorting through the noise is exhausting. So to combat that, they hire executive assistants. They are responsible for sorting through all your DMs, messages, emails, and only sharing with you the most important ones. Executive assistants set your schedule, represent you in meetings, and even can send payments on your behalf. They serve as a filter for your life, and they see everything. You are essentially trusting this person with your life, so it's not an easy role to hire for. Enter boldly.com. They pair executives with fully vetted executive assistants. Here's how it works. Boldly first screens executive assistants for deep business experience and desire to support a winning team. Then they start speaking to executives to understand their business and their specific needs. Next, they match you and they let you speak to your executive assistant to make sure it's a good match before you sign up. Once you choose an EA, they will learn about your business, learn how you like to work, and even learn the tools that you like to use to get started. Once you find the EA that you want, you just pay Boldly a monthly subscription to hire them. So what's interesting here is that Boldly actually pays the EA's salary directly, and then they just charge you a little more on top, and they get a spread for that service of matchmaking. Their entry-level package is $2,360 per month for 40 hours of work. And so I can imagine that the EA gets paid $2,000 a month, and then Boldly gets $360 as a service fee. In 2023, Boldly hit $4.9 million in revenue for a subscription-based staffing service. It basically allows you to find high quality virtual assistants quickly. So that was probably one of the most unique productized services I have seen, and I hope that helps you with inspiration for something that you could start. Now, on to the next. Marketing is all about testing. You don't just make one ad or one funnel and call it good. You are constantly testing new offers, copy, ad creatives, and funnels. Robo.com saw this as an opportunity to offer unlimited digital marketing tasks. What makes this a great productized service is that businesses always need new marketing assets somewhere in their funnel. So in theory, if you get a client, they will never be done with your services. This means they'll pay you forever as long as you're getting them results. Grobo offers unlimited requests, revisions, and brand profiles. You can request any of these 13 different skills, all with a turnaround within less than 3 days. I like Grobo because they have mastered the productized system with a large team, and the single request mechanism spreads the work out across multiple different team members, which makes this the most scalable marketing agency model out there. Let's say they have a marketer, a designer, a developer, and a copywriter on their staff. When a client requests a logo, the designer starts working. This means that that client is actively using their one active request on a designer. And now the marketer, developer, and copywriter are free to work on another client's request. This is a beautiful balancing act that helps Grobo make millions of dollars per year, helping people with digital marketing tasks. This is only possible thanks to airtight systems and clear processes. And again, if you want to learn what those are, click the link below and sign up to our free Productized agency training. Okay, so moving on. Selling on Amazon is a must for any business in 2024. And though it is relatively straightforward, there are still a lot of little details that you have to be aware of. Many local businesses might not know what the best practices are. So that's where the 5daystartup.com comes in. For $3,800, they will consult you on your strategy and offer you everything you need to grow on Amazon. Listing SEO, infographics, product graphics, ranking boosts, and even PPC ads on Amazon. If you join their $5,000 package, they will even create your accounts, listings, product launches, and make a dedicated website landing page. So basically, they will run your entire Amazon store for you. This is a great deal for local businesses who might not be tech savvy and are looking for a new distribution channel. And if you have a good product, then it should pay for itself and then some. This one-man business generates $960,000 per year by helping people with their Amazon businesses. One thing to note here is he has a blog on his website that helps him rank in Google search. This SEO strategy helps him get customers for his productized agency. Now, when people search how to start an Amazon store, his agency's website will be one of the first to show up. If you want to learn how to get customers for your productized agency, I just recommend going to Alex Hormozzi's $100 million leads free course, and you will never struggle to find customers again. Speaking of getting customers, cold email is a very time-consuming but effective way of doing outreach. But learning about the deliverability, regulations, and the entire process is a lot of work. From buying emails on Outlook to warming up the emails with Instantly to doing the targeting on ListKit, then testing the actual copy, headlines, and flows, there are a lot of moving parts, and it is something that you have to scale slowly. So delegating this to an agency is something that is very common. Meet coldemail.studio. Cold Email Studio helps businesses find more customers by planning and executing cold email outreach campaigns. For $3,000 a month, they will discover your ideal customers, set up your entire outbound campaign strategy, and manage it all. What's great about this agency is that they solve your entire problem and deliver you an outcome. All you have to do is sign up and get ready for an influx of new customers. The simpler your service is to understand, the better. Remember, rich people sell outcomes and solve the customer's entire problem, not just one part of it. A lot of copywriters start cold email copywriting agencies, but this limits them because this means they can only work with companies who already have a cold email campaign set up, which is a small market. If they solve the entire problem, their market could be companies looking to add a new acquisition channel to their business. It's a little more work for a much larger reward. And this one-person agency makes $240,000 per year offering cold email services. Now, maybe you don't have a product yet, but you do have an idea for an app. The development process can be very intimidating for non-technical people. Figma designs, hiring developers, and project management is no simple task. That's why my friend Jacob Klug started his own no-code development agency, Crim.digital. He helps large companies and creators bring their software ideas to life. And the cool part is they do it with no-code tools, so it's faster and cheaper. For $9,000 a month, you get a full development team to build you anything you want. A SaaS MVP? No problem. They built YouTube creator Airac's SaaS MVP Creator Now in just a matter of weeks. A custom affiliate tracking tool that you can use internally at your business? You got it. The possibilities are endless. You have a full development team at your fingertips. This saves you the time of hiring, training, and managing, and guarantees quality work. No wonder he's making $120,000 a month at just 20 years old. All right, now I want to do a few rapid fire productized services that I think could work really well. The first one is going to be consulting/coaching. If you have expertise in any field, any sort of experience that you think is worth sharing, you can charge $500, $1,000, even $2,000 a month just for weekly calls with people who are looking to improve in that industry. Another one would be organic short form script writing. There are a lot of TikTok and short form accounts who do recaps of entrepreneurs' life stories or how their business works. And though it's really simple content to make, the research and telling the story the best way takes a lot of time. So someone like me who is good on camera and reading a script, I would love if I could find a competent person who could research these stories and then actually write the script for me. Then I could just spend a few hours going through 10 different scripts. That way I could get bulk mass short form content out. So that's another one that I see could make you a few extra $1,000 a month without too much work on your end. And it's something that I would need every single week, so I would continue to pay you forever. Now, finally, what is the productized agency that I would go back and start if I was starting completely from scratch? Well, I like making videos, and right now, UGC content is more popular than ever. 5 years ago, brands only wanted to work with influencers with millions of followers. But now, user-generated content is becoming more and more popular because it feels authentic. So brands will send these random everyday people their products, and that person will make a few videos of them actually using it in person, just using it on their iPhone and recording a very raw and authentic style of content. And so the agency that I would start is I would create a productized UGC agency. Well, I will guarantee you 8 videos a month using your brand's products. So this would be really helpful for large e-commerce brands, and they would have no problem paying you $3,000 a month. Let's say you're a girl and you want to promote a makeup brand. You would just reach out to 20 makeup brands. They would send you 5 different products, and then you would just be responsible for making 8 videos per month of you using different products, demonstrating the benefits, and just using your creativity. They will then take those and use them on their social media, use those as ads, even use them on their website to demonstrate the effectiveness of the product. And this can be paired really well with TikTok Shop and TikTok affiliate links. And I think I could easily get 3 or 4 clients in my very first month of doing this if I had a system down. So if I were to start all over again, I would start a UGC productized service agency where I'm making brand videos, whether it's just product videos of supplements or makeup demos if I was a girl, whatever it may be. This is something that's really in demand, and you constantly need new ones as a company who's trying to promote your products. You don't want your ad creatives to get stale. I think that's a really big opportunity for anybody out there, especially if you like working from home. So guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. We have a full course on how to productize any service. We walk you through how to set up all of the Trello boards, all of your Stripe payments, how to do the onboarding, Typeform applications, everything you need. So if you want to learn how to do it step by step, go ahead and join the WGMI Academy. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.